How to log in to Centennial Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Centennial Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Centennial Bank login, and after that here you will have Centennial Bank. You can simply click on the first search which says online banking. Now it will take you to the web page or the website of the Centennial Bank, and if you want to log into your account, then you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner. And now to log in, first you have to enter your online ID, but if you forgot your online ID, then you will have forgot user ID option. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover, or you'll get some help. And after entering your online ID, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover it. And if you don't have an account, like if you have not registered yet, then you can go to enroll now and then you can create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in and if you know all of your credentials, remember your credentials, then you have to simply enter your online ID and password, and then you have to click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Centennial Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.